In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add introduction in GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, professional intro section on your site using the GoDaddy Websites Plus Marketing Editor. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. If you don't have the site bookmarked, simply type GoDaddy into the search bar. This is a quick way to reach the official website without worrying about the exact URL. In the search results, click the official GoDaddy website to continue. Once you're on the home page, sign in to your account. Use your usual login details and complete any prompts you see so you land in your account dashboard. From there, look to the top right corner and click your username. A small menu will open. Choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything associated with your account, including your websites. Find the website you want to work on and click it to open the site editor. Give it a moment to load. You'll see a live preview of your site on the right and editing options on the left. To add a new section, look for the plus icon that says Add Section. This is how you insert new content blocks anywhere on your page. When the section library opens, you'll notice categories that help you find the right block faster. Click General. This group includes versatile, commonly used sections. Within General, select Introduction. The Introduction section is designed for a headline, a short description, and often an image or button, perfect for welcoming visitors and quickly explaining what your site is about. Next, browse the available introduction templates and choose the one that best fits your style and layout needs. Some options are more text-forward, while others emphasize imagery or a call to action. Click the template you want, and it will be added to your page. You'll immediately see it appear in the preview, ready for you to personalize. The template you pick sets the layout and design baseline, so choose one that complements your brand colors, tone, and the message you want to highlight. That's it. You've successfully added an introduction section to your GoDaddy website. This new section is now in place and ready for your content. Take a moment to review how it looks within the overall page and make sure it aligns with the rest of your site's style. With this approach, you create a clear, welcoming first impression for your visitors right where it matters most.